AFWERX awards ASYLON contract for robotic military working dogs. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. AFWERX has awarded leading robotic security solutions provider ASYLON Inc. a Phase 1 Small Business Innovation Research (SBIR) contract to leverage TRL-9 commercial DroneDog security robot system for the augmentation of military working dogs (MWD). ASYLON DroneDog Security Robot. ASYLON's DroneDog is a high-endurance, agile, and durable quadruped uncrewed ground vehicle (QUGV) built to automate ground-based security patrols. Utilizing Boston Dynamics Spot Robot and ASYLON's PupPack, Doghouse, and DroneIQ software, the system has patrolled over 10,000 miles for commercial clients. DroneDog features live video monitoring, remote teleoperation, daytime/nighttime cameras, and automated charging using advanced robotics to make perimeter security easier. The AFWERX contract will explore the integration of advanced sensor technology and AI or ML technologies onto the existing ASYLON DroneDog system in order to improve gate guard procedures. Some of these integrations include sniffing technologies for explosives and narcotics, license plate recognition software, and facial recognition. This award presents a tremendous opportunity for ASYLON to validate a significant problem set with detection dogs for both defense and commercial use cases, said Chief Revenue Officer Michael Quiroga. If proven successful, these integrations would open a completely new market for our DroneDog system to enhance detection dog use cases around Air Force bases and commercial facilities.